Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up and switch between multiple Chrome profiles easily. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser. I will show you how to make this type of profiles. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Then uh, click on your profile icon here. As you can see here, click on the profile icon on the top of it. Now click on add or manage profile to set up a new profile. You can see in the last add new profile or manage Chrome profile. So click on add profile. Then you can sign in with your Google account, or you can also sign without an account. So I will prefer sign without an account. Okay, now you have to set up your new profile. For example, I will set ABC. Okay, then you can choose your theme color from below listed colors, and after doing this, click done and your new profile will be open in a separate window. So screen shows new Chrome profile being set up. Okay, now how to switch between profiles. For switching between the profiles, click on your profile icon here, then select the profile you want to switch to. It will open a new window. As you can see here, my different profiles can be seen here, and that's it. This is great for keeping work and personal browsing separate, or if multiple people use the same computer. uh, and that's it. Now you know how to set up, switch and manage multiple profiles in Google Chrome. Let me know in the comment how you use Chrome profiles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Chrome tips. I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. And guys, also do turn off your notification for my latest videos, so you will get updated whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching.